Hi, welcome to Jane Jeff Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare noodles, eggs, and cheese. Let's do this together. Are you from work and tired and you need to fix something for your children? This is what you cook for them. Noodles, eggs, and cheese. Let's cook together. You fry the onions very fast. Allow the onion to turn a little bit brown, then add in the tomatoes. Put in the turmeric. You can also add in some salt. And you can put also some ginger. Then mix the food well. Then you can cover to allow the tomatoes to cook. Wow! You can see the tomatoes are ready, well cooked. Now I'll just add in some water and bring the water to boil there. Then cover and allow the water to boil. Wow, the water has boiled. So we put in our noodles in the water and allow the noodles to be ready. Then you cover. Wow, our Indomie are ready. They are. Then now what do we do? Then put in some egg. There. Those are 2 eggs. Then you spread nicely. Just mix. Cover and allow again to cook. Wow, look at our food. It's almost getting ready. Now I'll pour in the cheese. I have put in some cheese. You can be sure your children will really enjoy. Even those who are in college, if you want to fix quick food, this is the way to go. So I'll just cover and allow the food to simmer. Wow, look at our food. I'm going to put off the fire. Wow, our food is ready. Wow, you can serve and enjoy. I like the cheese. Serve and enjoy with your family. God bless you. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe.